Hello and welcome to Red Sports. This is Mohit Chaudhary and currently I'm standing right outside of the Eden Garden Stadium here in Kolkata, and there's an air of disappointment out here because match got abandoned. The match between Punjab Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders, which was supposed to take place today from 7:30 p.m, it got abandoned due to torrential weather. It poured heavily, there was thunderstorm, and at one point of time we were from the audience, from the stands, we were unable to see anything at all. So it was that serious. In the pre-match live show, we had predicted that it might not rain because the sky was pretty clear around that point of time. It didn't seem like it would rain, even though there were weather forecast. There was a weather forecast prediction that it might rain today, but when we came in around 6:30 p.m, it didn't seem like it would rain. But then when it started raining, it seemed very difficult for the match to resume anytime soon, and that's what happened. The match got abandoned. I would like to give a shout out to the groundsmen who constantly kept working, who gave their ultimate best. They went to the field, went outside of the field. They were constantly monitoring the outfield. At one point of time, there was a proper thunderstorm. There was proper proper wind blowing, and they had to go to the field every now and then, make sure that the cover stayed in place. And I mean, I just thought I would mention that. Apart from that, in the stands there were KKR fans as well as PBKS fans. Sure, the turnout was not as expected. I mean, compared to the previous game, the crowd was much lesser today. But nevertheless, it's probably because it's a Monday, it's a weekday, and also because people knew the weather forecast tonight. So which is why they probably avoided coming to the stadium tonight. But nevertheless, there was still audience who had showed up. But the interesting part is that the KKR fans out there did not really, the KKR team, that is Kolkata Knight Riders, did not get off to a very good start. I mean, first of all, I think it was a crazy decision to opt to bat first, because when you know that there is a rain prediction, you have won the toss. As a captain, I was not convinced about the lineup today, or the decision to bat first, especially when when you can expect a weather condition like this. Yeah, for sure, we did not expect a washout. We thought it would be a stop-start game, but nevertheless, knowing the weather conditions, you choosing to bat first, I was not convinced at all, and that's what happened. The moment they started, going out there on the field, we saw what happened. There was proper swing. The openers tried, the batters tried to hit as much as possible, but then because they knew at the back of their heads, they knew that they had to score as much as possible because they are batting first. They had to post a big total on the scoreboard. But I mean that didn't. I don't think that would have happened because the way they fell like a pack of cards immediately at the start. The breakthroughs that the Punjab bowlers were able to give their team, I think it was outstanding. But once again, if you have to talk about the KKR fans, when there was sort of a discussion going on that the match might not happen, I did see some of them feeling happy internally, because with the kind of start that they had gotten, and with the kind of the kind of performance that they have shown this time, I don't think any of them expected their team to win. So with a very heavy heart, I think, they're all leaving the stadium out right now, as you all can see. But still, KKR fans were not as disappointed as the PBKS supporters, because PBKS has been performing exceptionally well this time. They've started off on a really good note. Their entire team has proper balance. They have proper batting depth. Their bowlers have been, firing at regular intervals, properly taking wickets, and also at the same time controlling runs as well. So from their perspective, probably those 2 points would have helped. But also at the same time, the KKR fans were really happy because they are getting at least the one run that they probably wouldn't have gotten tonight. So that's what the point is. Even when it was not even announced that the match is going to get abandoned, there were many people, plenty of fans who left the stadium because they did not think it would be. They were convinced that probably the match is not going to happen. We were waiting outside. We were waiting here for further proper updates. And the last update that we received is that the match has been abandoned due to a wet outfield. The amazing measures were taken. Of course, entire ground was covered in no time, without any time being wasted. But then again, the kind of rain that happened today, it was proper torrential rain, and along with that, proper thunderstorm. So it was, despite covering the outfield, it's not possible to get it all cleaned up at such a small interval of time. So that's the update that we are getting from outside of the stadium right now. All the fans are leaving. We are disappointed because most of them, obviously, all of them have come here on a weekday. That is outside of their, finding time outside of their busy schedule. They've come here. They were looking forward to watching a game of cricket out here in Kolkata. And IPL is all about entertainment, as we know. So it is definitely disappointing to show up for a match and then, when it doesn't happen. But then nothing can be done as of now. It's good for the KKR fans that they've gotten this 1 point that they have today. The next match between KKR and LSG is also, the weather conditions could also be somewhat similar because again there is rain prediction for this entire week. We would hope that rain doesn't happen because it's always good to watch a game, to watch a proper 20-over game of cricket. But nevertheless, if it does rain, if again it ends up, in a situation like this, then once again KKR and LSG would have to share their points. As of now, I'll take your leave because all the fans are leaving and match is not going to happen. So stay tuned to Red Sports for further updates regarding this match, regarding all other matches in the IPL. We will come with the pre-match shows, post-match shows, and all the other updates will be conveyed directly to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share, and subscribe.